Alright, so we've looked at the Python interpreter shell. That was one way of running Python code. Another way of running Python code is by using a Python file, also called a Python script. This is nothing more than just a text file with a .py extension. Do not forget the .py extension, it is very important. Okay, so let's create such a file. Let's see where we are currently located. Okay, so we are in the home Debian folder. Let's do an ls on that. So we can see the working dir directory. Let's go to this directory. So cd working dir. This is the directory in which we are going to do most of our work from now on. Okay, so first of all, let's create the file. We are going to use the Linux touch command. So touch. You can name the file whatever you like. We are going to name it file1. And do not forget the extension .py. Okay, so let's do an ls on that. So the file1.py file is created into the working dir directory. Now, how can we edit it? How can we insert Python code into it? Well, we are going to use the Linux built-in Vim text editor. So vim file1.py and enter. We are currently located into the file1.py file. To insert some text into this file, you can press the I key on your keyboard, and as soon as you press that key, the insert statement will appear in the lower left corner of the screen. This means that you can now enter any type of text you like. For starters, we are going to use a basic Python command, and that is the print command. This command does nothing more than just print some text that we input onto the screen. So let's use print and let's type a string, hello Python, for example. Okay, so remember, Python strings are enclosed between double quotes or between simple quotes, doesn't matter, just don't forget them. Okay, so I think this is the most basic Python script you will ever write. Print hello Python. Nothing more. Now let's save the file. First we should hit the escape key and then use the colon key, double for write and Q for quit. So escape, colon, W and Q. And now enter. Okay, the file is saved. We can check that our statement, our print hello Python statement, was saved into the file by using the cat Linux command. So cat file.py. Okay, so the statement is there. It should be alright. Now, how can we run this Python script? Well, it is very simple. Just type Python and the name of the file, file1.py, and hit enter. As soon as you hit enter, hello Python is printed to the screen without the print or without the double quotes or I don't know, single quotes or whatever you used. Just hello Python is printed to the screen. So, as I said, this is a very basic Python script. You just have to remember the idea of creating a file, giving it the .py extension, then saving the file, and then running the file using the Python command and the name of the file. So I think that's about it. These are the basics of Python scripts, Python files. We are going to use a lot of Python files across our course, so don't worry. You will have a lot of time to practice on this Python script technique. So let's get on to the next lecture.